Alpha is the 2002 Chevy Astro van. It's a beauty. Hi, I'm Milo. This is my van, Alpha. We're going. What's up, guys? You're basically everywhere here. You got your living room, you got your kitchen, you got your bed here, obviously. Everything here I basically made. I made the drawers, you know, the wood panels, I cut them, whatnot. And then got your utensils here. So have here random stuff like pots and pans. Got yourself some oil here, whatnot. You gotta have some hot sauce, hell yeah, right there. Obviously I got the cooler here. This is pretty cool. I got the bungee so it won't slide all over the place. Now you get your stuff. Now pretty accessible. Right back in. Alright, yeah, so this is like my DIY pantry. You got all kinds of things in here. It's quite a mess, but got some cups here. You gotta have your peanut butter. I'm Hispanic, so you gotta have your tortillas right here for your breakfast. You got your fire extinguisher here, just in case, you never know. And you also have the CO2 reader here. Alright, so this is the Yeti 400 made by Goal Zero. It's connected directly to the solar panels on top. As you can see, it's actually charges all my my batteries, camera batteries, drone, computer, you name it. It also powers my fan here. I know most people connect it to their car battery, but I wanted to kind of try something different and connect it directly to that. So because I don't use the fan all the time. But right now it's pretty much full. Right now, if you can see there, it's full. That's how I power pretty much everything here. So all right, so this is my bed. Basically it consists of 4-inch mattress or foam, memory foam that I bought online. It's 4-inch. It's actually really comfortable, as comfortable as my bed at home. So yeah, I've been able to see really well in the vent, surprisingly. Yeah, so basically this is the bed frame I built myself. It lifts up here like that. So I have my shirts right here, semi-folded like that. I got my undies there, you don't want to see that. On this side I have my pants, shorts, whatnot, and then just put it down. That's about it. So basically when I go to sleep, I normally lay down this way because I'm about 5'6", so I fit pretty good here. I actually have this 0 degree sleeping bag I bought at Cabela's, which is pretty nice. Keeps me pretty warm at night, especially up here in the Pacific Northwest. It's starting to get really cold, so this helps out a lot. All right, so how do I stay cool in the van, especially going through the desert and stuff? I have this fan up here. I have a remote control. It's the Max Air Deluxe, and the cool thing about this fan is it's an exhaust, and also it brings air in, so you can use it as a regular fan, or you can have air circulating through you know, an opening through other windows, so it brings the air in and keeps the van pretty cool. It on and does this thing. Yeah, this is my my ghetto curtain right here. It's all blacked out. Got it from Walmart. I kind of cut it to a certain, you know, extent, but I have it hooked up with these clips here. The thing is, like, the van itself comes with this thing. It stops here. I don't know what the heck it's called, but I clip them on here. At night you can see anything on both sides. It's blacked out. Very good if you're trying to be stealthy, especially in the city. I highly recommend getting some kind of blackout curtains, and you'll see that with different van dwellers and different vans. Same thing here. So basically, since my van is not really a cargo van, it's a passenger van, you have the windows, you know, exposed. So what I did is I built this window covers with tape too, but it's plastic dip on one side, and it has fabric on the other side, but in between it has Reflectix. So obviously if you know a little bit about Reflectix, it keeps you know, some of the heat out or whatnot, the sun bounces out, so it keeps the car pretty cool for the most part. Also have basically this wood panel, but it also has insulation. It's about 2 inches of insulation in here, 2 different layers, so keeps the van pretty cool for the most part. So yeah, so basically I use this bike chain or lock, whatever you want to call it, and I lock the Yeti, and I also bring that battery down, so you know, if somebody breaks in the car, they won't take, you know, these things. And then my stove, my portable stove, I actually put it right here, and it just sits right there.
So what's his name?
Poopy Face. It's like how to protect myself. Right here. All right, follow me to the back. So this is the back side of Alpha here. Got more Reflectix on top. I got the blinds here for blackout, more black, more stealth. Obviously it keeps the, even though I have this, I want to make sure it's really blacked out. So here's the back. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but it's where I keep most of like my shoes. I got my winter clothes here as well. Yeah, so basically this is where I keep most of my stuff like that I don't use constantly. This is my winter clothes, which I'm going to be taking out soon because it's starting to get really cold up here. And I'm heading up to Canada, so obviously I'm going to need that winter clothes. I got shoes. This also lives up. And I have my tools right here. Definitely going to need a toolbox or something to keep your tools in case anything happens on the road. I have my jack up in here on this side, and also have, I don't know if I want to show that too much because it's all messy. All right, so yeah, I also have a first aid kit there with jumper cables and stuff like that. You might want to have that, invest on that as well. Here on this side, I actually have, I built this little table here. It's not the best or the greatest, but I built it myself, so I feel kind of proud about it. You know, at the beach, I put like your stove here and start cooking. I was in Yosemite recently cooking some beans and stuff. So I set up my, my stove here. You know, put the little pan up here, pot, whatnot, and then start cooking, you know, pretty chill. And outside, not really cooking inside, so all the fumes are kind of like not going inside your van so much, so yeah. So how do I charge my devices? Solar panel. A lot of people are indecisive if they should get them or not. I feel like it was probably one of the best investments, honestly, to a van build. Get yourself, if you can, a solar panel. This is a Renogy 100 watt. It's plenty for me, but I probably would go for 200 next time, or probably add that in the future.
And what is this?
That's actually the fan. This is the Max Air Deluxe from the outside. It's the black one. You could also get it in white, I believe, the white lid.
Does it open up or does it stay like this?
Oh, it opens up. Let me go ahead and open that up for you.
All right, we're ready. All right, ready.
Please, slow motion on that. So this is the cockpit. This is where it all goes down. Hours and hours of just driving around the US, and yeah, basically, you know, it's pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. You got your cup holders here, bam. Make sure you have enough water for your trip, because H2O, you gotta stay hydrated. Got the old school tape with the auxiliary cable. That's what's up. You know, you put your phone in, you know, for those kids that don't know what they're messing with. That I got the you know, little window cover, Reflectix for the window, and yeah, nothing too crazy, just really simple, you know, basic stuff.
It's a little stealth because nobody can see.
Yeah, you don't know what's back there, sort of. And then you got your water tank here for emergency, like if you need some refill, your canteen or whatever. Yeah, you should get this. Oh yeah, shout out to Violent Gentleman Hockey Club. Got my niece Smokey the Bear. Only you can prevent. I basically collect stickers because it's not too expensive. You know, like when you're on the road, you try not to spend too much money, but you know, you collect these type of stickers where, you know, you got your national parks, whatnot. I have some for the Grand Canyon and stuff. So I would say if you're on the road, like if you want to collect stuff, stickers are pretty good. Those postcards, whatnot.